Ah, I love these days when the flowers are in bloom, and the leaves and the trees are green, and amazingly, they aren't even plastic. This is the kind of day when the world should be framed and hung in an art gallery. The kind of day when nothing can budge me from the peace and serenity of my bed of flowers.
Garfield, lunch is ready.
The kind of day when the flowers can wait because lunch is ready. Hey, Odie, what's new? Tell me later, I want to eat now.
Here you go, guys. I made you.
Quick, slow motion.
Thank you, Odie. I don't know what's wrong. I've been sneezing all the time lately.
Refill, please.
No, it isn't all the time. It's just when I'm around you.
What?
Could I be allergic to cats?